back to Nature News 101, and we're here live at Country View Honey, and we're going to be talking about bees. I wonder if they're busy What types of flowers do bees really like?
Oh, they love clover. So if you look around, you'll see the yellow clover that they're going after. The white clover, they like asters. They enjoy sunflowers. The honey that we get takes on the taste of whatever they're pollinating. So if they're pollinating sunflowers, it tastes kind of like sunflowers.
Do you have any fun facts about honeybees or pollinators?
Sure. Well, all the bees in the hive, with the exception of just a couple, are all girl bees, right? So you're talking about girl pollen, right? There's one queen. There's only one queen in there. And the boys, they don't do anything. They just eat a lot, and they help out the queen, and that's about it. So at the end of the year, when it comes time for hibernation, they kick all the honey bees out, and it's all girls all winter long.